Welcome back. Hopefully everyone had a nice weekend. It was kind of the tale of two seasons this weekend. Spring there on Saturday and then feeling more like winter out there today, only briefly hitting 60 degrees this afternoon, but pretty much feeling like the 50s for the better part of the afternoon. Those winds, though, have relaxed this evening, and with clear skies in place, that is going to allow temperatures to continue to drop. In fact, most of us heading for the lower to middle 30s by tomorrow morning. So a patchy frost definitely looking likely area wide. So let's get a check of that satellite radar composite. There's our frontal boundary from yesterday, now well off to our east. Of course, it brought the showers and storms to the area last night, some of which were on the heavier side. But again, that quickly cleared out early this morning. It was back to sunny skies, breezy conditions. But as mentioned, those winds now pretty much calm here late this evening with those clear skies in place. Readings heading for the mid 30s for most of us, but lower 30s for northern Acadiana. We'll detail that in just a second. Otherwise, after that cold start, it's going to be pretty cool into tomorrow afternoon. Lowers 60s, but what you will notice is that the winds won't be nearly as breezy tomorrow as what they were today. So cool and comfortable out there. And we'll go about 62 for that projected high. Clear skies remaining in place tomorrow night into Tuesday morning. So it's going to be another cold start, mid to upper 30s, and then mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies into our Tuesday afternoon with those temperatures staying cool out there, low to mid 60s. And that's pretty much where our high temperatures will remain for the middle and latter parts of the week as well. No significant changes, although our overnight lows will start to come up a little bit more so into the 40s, and we'll start to add a little bit more cloud cover out there. But rain chances staying slim to none, and we're just going to be waiting on our next weather system to get here. This is the European model showing that this particular system could arrive by the end of the week, going into portions of the weekend right now. It looks like Saturday with a healthy scattering of some showers, perhaps some storms as well. But again, timing and exact thinking is going to change when we're talking that far out. So stay with us over the next few days as that part of the forecast comes into a little bit better focus. But no issues in the short term, although it is all about those cold temperatures. In fact, for northern Acadiana, upper 20s to lower 30s first thing tomorrow morning, low to mid 30s here along the I-10 corridor, and pretty much similar story there across the coastal parishes. So make sure you protect or bring in any tender vegetation that you may have, and of course make sure the pets have a warm place to stay. After that cold start, we are looking at cool conditions tomorrow afternoon, lower 60s under lots of sunshine. Should just be a beautiful day out there. Mid to upper 30s is where we'll start Tuesday, so still a cold start, and then we'll see temperatures climbing into the lower and even mid 60s in spots come Tuesday afternoon, as will favor a partly cloudy sky, but more so it's going to be a mixture of high level clouds with that sunshine. 34 the projected low tonight. That's at least here in Lafayette. Of course, slightly colder outlying areas, especially to the north, so be on the lookout for that patchy frost first thing tomorrow morning. Otherwise, very nice day tomorrow, plentiful sunshine. 62 will be your projected high, and again, winds much lighter tomorrow compared to today. 65 into Tuesday. Again, a little bit more cloud cover, we'll say, for the middle latter parts of the week, but we do stay rather dry out there. Cool afternoons, low to mid 60s, and as mentioned, those overnight lows will be coming up a little bit into the 40s, eventually the lower 50s there by the end of the week. Next weather system for now looks like heading into portions of the weekend will favor Saturday with about a 60 to 70% rain chance. But again, we'll have more on that over the next few days, so stay tuned for the latest. 34 your projected low tonight, will be near 62 tomorrow afternoon under plenty of sunshine. Well, that's a look at weather for now, but stay with us. We'll have more coming up.